Horses out, we have a lifetime past the begin. Ikaw ha, arithmetic moving up on the outside now is perfect timing. Len is racing in fourth in between horses. Is Lakay, Pink Lady, Defiant joining them. Chip of Stop, third last, second last, Seeds of Wisdom, and Ikaw ha is the early trailer. Arithmetic and on the outside now is perfect timing, fighting it out for the lead. 6 lengths away in third, lifetime Lakay in fourth. Chip of Star is down in fifth. Racing in 6 is Defiant, Pink Lady, Len, third last, second last, Seeds of Wisdom, and Ikaw ha is still racing in last. Perfect timing, still in front by about 3 for Balenga, and in second is Arithmetic, 4 lengths away in third, lifetime moving up Lakay, Chip of Stop, Pink Lady trying to get closer now. In 7 is Len, then comes Defiant, perfect timing, still in front by about 2 lengths, and in second is Arithmetic, lifetime rushing about the outside now is Len to take board. Perfect timing followed by Arithmetic, lifetime moving about the outside now is Len to take the lead. It's now Len by about 3 lengths. Perfect timing moving up lifetime, Pink Lady, Arithmetic, and nearing the finish line. It's all number 8 Len. Second, close, perfect timing, lifetime, then comes Pink Lady, Chip of Stop, Arithmetic.
Len.